Okay, we made it to the mountain. We hiked up one and I believe I brought us to the wrong spot. But it's beautiful. There's a lot of cedar trees. Haven't found anything worth collecting yet. But it's beautiful out here. Found something here. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. Here's a nice little short leaf pine. It's got a pretty fat base like they all do. Doesn't have a lot of movement. Probably lose most of this top. Yeah. It's growing right out of the rocks here. What do you think about that one? I found another one down here in a gully. I'm going to try and dig this one up, I think. Well, that's a beautiful view. This is a beautiful hornbeam growing out of the rocks. It's a really cool tree. I haven't even tried to wiggle it to see if it's collectible, but look at that bark. All these branches. It's in there good. I don't think that thing's going anywhere, but it's a cool tree. Look at this little tree. It was hiding right under this hornbeam. Let's have a look at it. What kind of trees are we looking for? Going out of the crack. Looks like it's growing under that big rock. It's got a crazy curve at the base. It's a really cool bark. It's wiggly. Try and Get some of these rocks out of here. See if I can pull it out of the ground. So many rocks. The bark on that tree. It's an American hornbeam. A nice twisted trunk. It's a big old tree. That thing's cool. It's a pretty cool little hornbeam. Make a neat tree. I'm gonna cut this branch off. Most of this one. This one, it's like a twin trunk. Really neat. I think I'm gonna get this one.
All these little air balls.
Here's the trees I got. Short leaf pine, an American hornbeam. Show more when we get them home. And a really cool hop hornbeam with very few roots. Let's see how this one does. I'm back home from the Yamadori adventure. It was fine while I was out there, and we climbed a mountain. We went up. The first hill we climbed was 919 feet of elevation change. I used my Garmin tracker, checked it out. When I got out of the car, 2-hour drive home. I guess that drive home stiffened up my knee and I could not move. So I sacrificed my knee for these trees, and got a bit of a limp going, but here they are. Let's check them out. This one is an American hornbeam. It's got cool musclings, the twin trunk thing. Cut one shorter than the other. Maybe should have cut this one shorter, but it had all this growth on it, so I might still cut it here. I don't know. Can't decide. Some cut paste. We need some roots trimmed. This is a hop hornbeam. It was in the rocks and didn't come out with many roots. But look at that bark. I hope it's focusing on that bark. It is now. That bark is incredible. And it's a cool tree. So I'm excited about that one. That's a nice back branch. This will be the front. That's a cool one. Hopefully it survives. And then I got a real nice short leaf pine. You can't tell it because it's still wrapped up. It's got some nice movement to it. It'll make a nice literati tree. It's tall and leggy, but it's got all these buds down here, so I could chop it at this junction here and use this as a new leader. So, but for now, I'm just going to get it healthy, plant it like this, and see where it goes from there. Build some boxes and get these potted up. A little lunch break for my puppy. Old Granny Belle. She's gone deaf. She's a good girl. You good girl? Yeah, see, she can hear. Gonna get to work after I eat something. Let's open this up. Have a look at the roots. It's got some of them off. This might seem like overkill. This is like a roll of cellophane shrink wrap that you can get at Lowe's, but just wanted to keep this thing as healthy as I could until I got it home. I gotta cut this big root right off. Got a lot of these big roots off. These roots are going straight down. I already cut that one, which I didn't really mean to, but it's a very one-sided tree. No roots over here. So this is a different option. There's a little more room on each side than I would like. Might put some perlite down there, put a bunch of holes in this thing, like a lot, like 100. Okay, new box, much bigger. Filled in some of the space under it. Tie this bad boy in there. Just throw it in. Okay, so hotness up and 100% pumped. Hoping for the best. From what I've seen from this will be the best. So that's it. I destroyed my knee. I'm limping like crazy. I got 3 cool trees here. I got this, what I believe is a hop hornbeam with super thick bark, but it might be a winged elm or something. I'm not sure. We'll find out when it leaves out. This is definitely an American hornbeam. This is definitely a short-leaf pine. It was a great adventure. You know, one of my best friends, well, not my best friend in the world, came along with me today. He has no interest in bonsai, but he was there to keep me company, point out trees. Who knows, if I keep taking him, maybe he'll get interested in bonsai. Maybe I'll give him one of these trees, force him to get interested in bonsai, you know. And we just keep going to the mountain. We're gonna keep looking for trees. I love doing it. So I appreciate you watching. And until next time, stay classy.